Hello everybody, I'm Wayne. Today is day 19 of my water fast, and this morning I weighed in at 96.4 kilograms or 212.5 pounds. My blood glucose and ketone index is still below 1, so I'm happy about that. And I've had a lot of questions about how do I prepare my electrolytes. So firstly, this is not medical advice, this is just me doing research and what has worked for me over the last almost 3 weeks of water fast. What I do is I got myself some pink Himalayan salt for sodium. I have magnesium glycinate powder, and I have potassium chloride powder. I then went onto the LMNT website. They have a little recipe there. One serving is 1000 milligrams or 1 gram of sodium, 600 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. I've worked it out for me. I take about 3 servings a day, and with the pink Himalayan salt, that means about 10 grams per day, broken up into 3 grams per serve. The potassium, that to me is about 2 to 4 grams per day, and that will be 4 to about 6 grams of potassium powder. And for the magnesium, that works out to about 1 gram per day, which I break up of the powder over the day. Usually I like to drink more magnesium ones at night, so I have some of the sachets. I go and measure them up in this sensitive food scale, powder scale, and then I'll put it into a little bag and have all of these. Some of them will just have the sodium and potassium, and the others will have sodium, potassium and magnesium, which is the ones I have later at night, or maybe one in the morning before I go and play golf as well. So that's day 19.